Hey, it's Wes.
And Shonda.
And welcome to DinkLife.
We are back at Kings Island again for WinterFest, but more specifically, we are here to celebrate New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So normally they are open from 4 until 10 for WinterFest, but tonight obviously they're open until midnight.
Yep.
And the reason we came back is because they have like a New Year's buffet in the International Restaurant. We'll take you in and show you a little bit of that, but we just wanted to come and check it out and see what was doing, so come along with us.
Whatever works for you.
Heading on up for the tree lighting.
Get ready to light up the night. Kings Island, are you ready? Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's Eve, Kings Island.
Quite a few people out ice skating tonight. Pretty soon we'll be eating up there in the restaurant. It'll be our first time ever eating up in there. It's a fancy house.
Maybe she was one of those.
Could be.
Probably get kind of
Yeah, we didn't walk through here.
Did not.
Looks like they got lots of selfies though. Ooh, a castle.
My throne.
I wonder if Santa sat there. Oh, there's a lady in a little sleigh.
See, it is my throne.
Yep, there's your throne. Ooh, some gingerbread stuff.
Oh, that little card's adorable.
You did it! Oh my gosh, beautiful angel. He's gonna blow away tonight. Heading into Tinker's Toy Factory.
We are heading into Tinker's Toy Factory.
And the main Kings Island Theater.
That's right. We saw him the year before.
Yeah.
When you're torn up Christmas song, you wake up every morning feeling like a lucky snowman song. Knowing there are
Oh, take a look at that spirit meter.
Oh, there it is!
My sleigh! Ho, ho, ho!
Hurry up, can't waste time, hurry up, can't waste time when you're racing with the clock, when you're racing with the clock. It's the
It's magical.
wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time. All the
This is where they're gonna have the balloon drop later. I think at 10:30. Oh, we don't know. Rock on ice. Doing a fancy penguin. Christmas stuff in there. I guess it's just like fiber optic lights. Got a few Christmas decorations. Yeah. And the international, never been here.
You know what I'm saying? But we could have fit in here. It would have been a big deal. Where is he?
And here's the little buffet inside.
Other stations will open.
And they got a bar over here too. It's really cool. They just broadcast everything up here. Because the parade is coming outside right now. Little nativity scene.
What do you think? Did they get any more bundles?
Now we're going to ride the last roller coaster ride of 2023.
Alright everybody, so it is now 2024. Holy shit. And we are here with Jay, who you occasionally see, bringing in the new year. This was actually a really great event. We totally enjoyed ourselves. We paid for the buffet to sit up here in the International Restaurant, and we have this amazing view behind us of International Street. We saw the fireworks from here and everything. It was fantastic. And while it was $139, which seemed pricey at first, it was totally worth it. We got a glass of champagne, appetizers, dinner, dessert, so everything.
It was nice to get out of the cold too.
It was nice to get out of the cold. It was nice to get out of the house. So we had a great time. We hope that you enjoyed this year at DinkLife, and we hope that you will join us, well, this year actually, as we go on some more adventures. And just remember, as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.